Paver Restoration, Florida, 352-282-2886. Find us on the web, paverrestorationfl.com. We are cleaning this driveway. Of course, the front entryway, we always add all new sand. We don't take shortcuts. And of course, seal it with the Ure-Seal H₂O. I'm trying to try and keep myself in the camera. We know I'm not very good at that. Gonna clean the separate little driveway golf cart entrance. Everything gets sealed. And we're going to clean and seal this little area, a little bit of pavers right here, and then clean, of course. Take care of this back here. A little dirty. We've got a lot of plants that tend to lose their leaves and dirt, soil, but we'll get it all cleaned up. These are a little heavy to move, so we're just gonna shift these guys. They don't want them brought out. A little bit of a waterfall there. We're not doing anything with that. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com.